Is Ashish this side. So this is part 2 of Study in Netherlands series, and in this part I am going to tell you about the top universities, main cities and courses, popular courses in Netherlands which lot of international students prefer. So with that, there are 13 Dutch universities which are ranked under 400. So you can understand with this kind of ranking that this is also one of the top education system in the world. So now with that, let's see which are the top 13 universities of Netherlands. You have first, which is Delft University of Technology. Its Netherlands rank is 1 and it is world rank as 57 in the world. You have so it's 57 in the world. Then Delft University of Technology particularly exceeds in STEM subjects. So if you are somebody who is looking for STEM, then this is the university you can look forward to. You have civil and structural engineering, mechanical engineering, environmental studies, engineering and technology, architecture. Some of the popular courses which you can look forward in this university. Then next you have is University of Amsterdam, which is ranked 2 in Netherlands and ranked 61 in the world. So ranked the top 20 universities in Europe and the top 65 worldwide. The University of Amsterdam, it stands for boundless curiosity, learning, research, motivation for a better world. 34,000 students from about over 100 countries study a vast range of subjects from media, psychology, business and artificial intelligence in this university. So if these are the courses that you are targeting, then you can look forward to University of Amsterdam. Next you have is Wageningen University and Research, Netherlands, number 3 and number 115 in the world. This university is the best university in the Netherlands and one of the leading international universities in the field of healthy food and living environment. So in case these are the kind of courses that you are looking forward to, then this is the university you can target. This university offers 6 bachelor program, 30 masters program and 3 online masters program. In these programs, you will focus on current and future global issues that are of increasing importance to both industry and government. Next you have is Eindhoven University of Technology, which is ranked 4 in Netherlands and 120 in the world. This university intends to be a research driven, design oriented university of technology with the primary objective of providing young people with an academic education with the engineering, science and technology domain. So this is again engineering, technology, STEM focused university. Next you have is Utrecht University, which is number 5 in Netherlands and 121 in the world. Utrecht University, founded in 1636, is an esteemed international university consistently positioned in top 15 in continental Europe and worldwide in top 100. So the university is located in the city of Utrecht, one of the most beautiful and safest city in northern Europe. The university offers 12 English taught bachelor's program and 90 plus English taught master's programs. That means these are the programs which are available in English. Next you have is Leiden University, which is ranked number 6 in Netherlands and 128 in the world. So this is the oldest university in Netherlands. Leiden has faculties in the field of archaeology, governance and global affairs, humanities, medicine, law, science and social science and behavioral science. So if these are the subjects, then you can look forward to this university. So these were the top 6. Now I'll take you through quickly to the rest of the universities. Then you have is University of Groningen, which is ranked number 7 in Netherlands and 128 in the world. Next you have is Erasmus University of Rotterdam, which is ranked number 8 in Netherlands and 197 in the world. Next you have is University of Twente, which is ranked 9 in Netherlands and ranked 197 in the world. Then you have is Radboud University, which is ranked 10 in Netherlands and 214 in the world. Next you have is Maastricht University, which is ranked 11 in Netherlands and ranked 234 in the world. And then you have is Vrije University of Amsterdam, which is ranked 12 in Netherlands and 236 in the world. And then you have is Tilburg University, which is ranked 13 in Netherlands and 368 in the world. Now, one of the most important factor to see here is that as per the QS University ranking, you have top 13 universities which are ranked under 368, under 400, and this speaks a lot about the quality of education system and the focus on education in that particular country. And as a person, I always encourage that you should go for world class top universities, even if it takes some more time for you to get into those. Now with that, let's now see which are the top cities or the popular cities for international students, or one of the city where you can look forward to study in. So you have Amsterdam, one of the most popular city or maybe the most popular city of Netherlands. Then you have is Rotterdam. Then you have The Hague. Next you have is Leiden. Then you have Eindhoven. Next you have is Tilburg. So these are some of the popular cities, but these are not all. You may find even more, but these are some of the most popular cities which you can look forward to. And next segment is the popular courses. Now before I jump to popular courses, I just want to give a word of caution to you that these are the some of the courses that I found to be popular in this country. But understand, when you have universities, they offer the wide range of courses. Also for you, there can be different priorities. Your priority can be getting into a country, your priority can be getting into a top university, or your priority can be getting into the particular course irrespective of which country. So decide according to that. Take these courses just for reference, because I understand that when you will start exploring the university, you will find a lot of courses. And for me, what matters is the ranking of the university. If a university is ranked under top 200 or top 400 in the world, then I guess most of their courses are bound to be good. So this is what I think of, but then this was the word of caution which I thought I should give to you. Now with that, the popular courses in Netherlands are space and aviation teaching, you have engineering, business studies MBA, arts, history, tourism, hotel management and sports management are some of the popular courses which Indian students prefer to pursue in Netherlands. So with that, we have come to the end of part 2 of Netherlands series. In part 3, I'll be telling you about the admission process, eligibility criteria, steps to apply and intake timeline, and the documents required to apply. So lot of content you will find in part 3 of Netherlands series. So in case you have any query, then I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us. Please like this video, comment, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. This channel has a lot of content on international study, be it different universities, be it different courses, be it different countries. So you can explore that as well. I'll see you soon in the part 3 of Netherlands series. Till then, stay connected.